It's time for those people who are running the streets to divorce it. What have the streets given you? What money? What has it brought for your children? Are they successful academically? More importantly, religiously? What has it done for you? What have the streets done for you? Inna lillahi ibadan futala. Allah has intelligent servants. Who are they? طَلَّقَ الدُّنْيَا وَخَافُ الْفِتَنَةِ. They divorce this world because they feel the tribulations and the trials that's going to come behind it. Some, the only thing the streets brought them was either they lost children, they ended up in prison, or they destroyed families, or they destroyed somebody else's family. The streets are cursed. Everything relating to the streets are cursed. And if you're involved in it, you're involved in a lifestyle that is cursed, whether you like it or not. We're not here for votes. We're not here for likes. We're here to convey what Allah said, what the Prophet ﷺ he said. And because we want good for every single one of you. But how can we want good for anyone if we're not going to tell people the truth? Yes, we welcome everyone. Doesn't matter where you are or what stage you're at. But at the same time, as we mentioned in the beginning, the truth is above all of us. Advice to the youth.